Okay guys, we've got one last thing, the final customization of our entire site. I've left it to last, so it's just a nice little touch to completely finish off customizing our website, and then we can safely say that we've got our own fully customized website that you guys built all by yourself. So let's get to it. So you're going to go back to the site and you're going to hit customize. So you're going to be brought to here, and what you're going to do is you're going to hit site identity, and then you are going to go down to your site icon, or what is also called a favicon. So what a favicon is basically, see on these tabs that I've got up here, each of them has a cool little image like that represents their website. So it's got their logo there. Here we've got a HostGator one because, well, we got our hosting through HostGator, but we can make that into our own little logo, which just adds a nice final little touch, and I think it's a perfect way to end this tutorial of building your own website. So if we go to, we're just going to select image. I'm going to go with what I already have, so I reckon, because that's a really cool little logo, you can hit select and crop, and then it'll go through, let it process. Remembering that's what it looked like there before, and look at that, awesome. So there we go, that is our very own little icon there. Put up whatever you'd like there, what you think suits it. Okay guys, so there's only one last thing left to do, and that's to click the publish button. Once you click this button, you've officially created your very own website.